Yeah, I have a voice reveal, guys.
Yes, I see you.
He's here finally.
Whoa, pick the horn.
Spin the stupid
What
fruit.
am I gonna get?
Spin it.
Do I have enough money? Oh, I have more than enough money. Understood. We're all trying to get it. Okay, let's get this thing. What am I gonna get?
What does he get? Oh, guys,
Well,
don't mind the
what
rocket fruit.
let me tell you what I got.
What?
I got a snake.
Can I please have it? But seriously, please.
No, this thing is so trash. I'm gonna just drop it.
Thank you.
We might give it to Tattoo. Wait a minute, you say let's play this one Pokemon because I spinned. Play.
Where did you go?
Bro, join me in the sun buttons. We're gonna be dirty. We're gonna be pretty.
Huh? But don't say my name publicly. You are so bad.
Amu.
What? Let me go. What?